The armed forces of the Philippines swiftly moves to quell rumors of unconstitutional plots. With an active soldier under investigation, AFP officials vow to uphold the rule of law and ensure that peace-loving citizens are protected and looming protest activities as well. As our Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
An active soldier is among those being investigated in connection with personalities allegedly behind the destabilization efforts against the Marcos Jr. administration. According to Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr., the intelligence community's investigation is ongoing and they are taking the report seriously.
We want to make sure na walang active member ng armed forces who will be involved in any of these non-constitutional activities.
Browner again emphasized that the AFP remains professional as an organization. The AFP chief also has a message for those who continue calling on the military to revolt.
Huwag na po kayong umasa na ang armed forces of the Philippines ay gagawa ng unconstitutional activities. We will stick to the rule of law at hindi po tayo lalabag dito. Hindi tayo magkukudeta, hindi tayo mag-military punta. Dahil ang kawawa po ay ang ating bansa. Pag ginawa po namin ito.
Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro also downplayed the destabilization rumors and said political issues have no effect on the AFP. He added that the sentiments of a few retired soldiers do not represent everyone.
So let's also not glorify these people and putting them on a place where they shouldn't be regarded by the public. Why don't we focus on the majority of the retired officials? They will agitate, they are noisy. But what effect does it have on the ordinary soldiers?
Meanwhile, the AFP has an appeal to organizers of the three-day rally starting November 16. They received reports that some groups may attempt to disrupt the goal of holding a peaceful protest.
Nananawagan kami sa kanila to secure, to police their ranks, to make sure na hindi po sila masingitan. May mga infiltrators at baka may magpasabog ng granada, nakakatakot po yun. Ano? Yung mga peace-loving na mga kababayan natin ay baka masaktan sila sa mga ganito.
The AFP will assist the Philippine National Police in maintaining security throughout the activities. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.